कर लाओगे। एप्लीकेशन डेरिवेटिव तक करो, जितने चैप्टर करो उतने एग्जाम्पलर खत्म करो। क्या करो? y equals to log of sin x. What will be derivative of it?
Derivative
Uh,
sin x cot x.
log of sin x derivative will be cot x. Okay. And what will be derivative of log of cos x?
Tan x minus
Sure.
tan x.
Minus
Tan
tan x. Okay. Minus tan x. All right. All right. Huh? Okay. Okay. Minus log sin x equals to what? Minus log sin x equal to what?
minus log sin x. Differentiation
Uh,
minus cot x.
minus cot x. I mean not this. I mean y equals to log cosec x.
Cosec x.
And I mean y equals to log sec x. What is the derivative of these?
Sir, cot x.
Sure?
Sure, sir.
Huh?
Sir, nearly sure.
Nearly sure?
Yes, sir. Minus cot x.
Minus cot x. Alright? Minus
Cot x.
cot x. And for this,
Plus tan x.
plus tan x.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes.
So, we are going to study integral calculus. Up to now we were studying differential calculus, we studied derivative, we studied differentiability, continuity, differentiability, and method of derivative differential coefficient known as ddx of 1. Differential coefficient ddx of y or ddx of fx. Okay? ddx is an operator. ddx is an operator and it is denoted by d. Okay, called differential operator. What called?
Differentiate.
Or derivative operator. So same thing we can write d of y or d of fx. Okay. Same notation we use to represent y1 or y primes. Okay. And same we can represent f1x or f prime of x. Okay. So these are notation. These all are called first derivative. What called? First proceeding for the second derivative, it becomes ddx of ddx. What become? ddx of ddx of y. So we write d2y of dx square of y. Okay. So this is the second order derivative. ddx of ddx. ddx. Okay. And it is called denoted by represented by d2y. Only d2 we write here. Okay, d2y. So d2y or y2 or y double prime. Okay. Similarly, third order, these all are second order derivative. We can also write d2 fx or f2x or f double prime of x. These all are second order derivative. Clear? These all are second order derivative. Similarly, we have to find third order derivative. Add one more ddx and it becomes d cube and it's become dy3 and it's y triple prime. Proceeding higher and higher order derivative, we use suffix, okay, primes, that much as much order derivative, as much primes we use, and here as much power comes. Okay, these are the differentiation. Okay, one operation opposite of it, inverse operation. Okay, addition operation opposite operation is subtraction. Multiplication opposite operation is division. Square operation is opposite operation is square root. Cube operation is opposite is cube root. Okay. Nth power operation is nth root. Nth root. Okay. Nth root. Logarithm exponent operation is opposite operation is log. Okay. Log. Okay. Opposite operation. So every operation have its inverse operation, means opposite operation. Same way derivative or differential coefficient or differentiation have opposite operation integral. It is called integration. This is called differentiation. ddx of y, and here I will use some function and here write dx. Okay, this dx nothing is come from here. This dx nothing is come from here. Okay, so integral dictionary meaning of integrating. Dictionary meaning of integrating means adding something. Integral means adding something. Summation. Dictionary meaning of integrating something means adding one by one. Okay. So in summation, this symbol derived from S. S had elongated from downside and from upside. Okay. Nothing else here. Okay.
What is the difference between summation and integration?
Summation is discrete and integration is continuous. Okay, we will study integration as a sum of limit. We will study further, don't worry. So the integration is the opposite operation of differentiation. Okay, y equals to sin x. Okay, so differentiation of sin x equal to cos x. Otherwise, we can write ddx of sin x equals to cos x. We can write it like that. Differentiation of sin x equals to cos x into dx. Differentiation, d means differentiation. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. Now we going to integrate. This is the differentiation. This denominator d came here. Okay, this is the differentiation and it is cos x dx. Alright? Cos x dx. Likewise, square of 2 and root equals to 2. This 2 and this root cancelled out each other. Square root and square get eliminated. Same way differentiation and integration get initial. Sin x equals to cos x dot dx. Okay. So by differentiating, what function we get? Cos x. Hence, by integrating cos x, what function we get? Whose differentiation is cos. हम cos x का इंटीग्रेशन करने का मतलब हम पता करेंगे कि cos कितना डिफरेंशिएशन है. Whose differentiation is cos. That is the integration of cos. Okay. So this is called antiderivative. This is called derivative, and reverse is called also termed as antiderivative. What is called? Anti. A-N-T-I. Anti-derivative. Derive. Okay. Or primitive. It is called primitive. Primitive means original. पहले का, जो पहले का, इसको इंटीग्रेट, इसको हमने डिफरेंशिएट किया तो कास आ गया, चेंज हो गया. लेकिन जब इसको वापस इंटीग्रेट करेंगे तो पहले वाला मिल जाएगा. तो दो वर्ड से जाना जाता है. किन किन वर्ड से जाना जाता है? प्रिमिटिव. प्रिमिटिव. ओके. This is called primitive or antiderivative. And right now I am not going to tell anything about integration. We are going to just estimate, guess. Any function I will write and we will guess it. Whose differentiation is this function which I have given? Suppose I have given sec x tan x. Then you have to tell whose differentiation is this. You have to inspect. Inspect means check karna, जांचना. Okay, what we have to do? We have to inspect. हमको इसको inspect करना है, जांचना है, check करना है, guess करना है, estimate करना है. किसका differentiation ये है? ठीक है, किसका differentiation है sec x tan x? sec x का. अगर हमको ये पता चल जाता है by inspection, जांचने पे, ठीक है, कि ये sec x का डिफरेंशिएशन है, इसका इंटीग्रेशन ही sec x होगा. ठीक है. तो ये मेथड सबसे पहले यूज किया जाएगा बिफोर स्टडीइंग एनीथिंग. डिफरेंशिएशन को तो करने के रूल थे. डिफरेंशिएशन को करने का कौन सा रूल था? फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल रूल, एबीसी इनिशियो मेथड. ठीक है, जिसको हम कहते हैं, क्या कहते हैं? फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल रूल. f dash x equals to limit h tending to 0 f x plus h minus fx upon h. ये फार्मूला किसने बताया था? न्यूटन ने बताया था. हाँ, न्यूटन मैथमेटिशियन थे, मोर देन फिजिशियन, फिजिसिस्ट, मोर देन फिजिसिस्ट. न्यूटन की बहुत डिस्कवरी मैथ में है. ठीक है, ठीक. उनकी तो फिजिक्स में 4 ही 5 डिस्कवरी गिनी चुनी है. ठीक है, ग्रेविटेशनल लॉ, लॉ ऑफ मोशन, दो तो पॉपुलर हैं. उसके आगे कूलिंग लॉ है. थर्मोडायनामिक्स में 2-3 लॉ है. ठीक है, और रेडिएशन में 2-1 लॉ है. तो 7-8 लॉ है. लेकिन मैथ में उनको ढूंढोगे तो उनकी कम से कम 20 डिस्कवरी है न्यूटन की मैथ में. तो ये फार्मूला किसने दिया था? न्यूटन ने दिया था. ठीक है, डेरिवेटिव का फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल का. ठीक. तो ये जो हमारा है डेरिवेटिव निकालने का तो तरीका हमारे पास है, फार्मूला डेवलप करने का. फार्मूला ना भी मालूम हो तो डेवलप कर लेंगे. लेकिन इंटीग्रेशन निकालने का एक ही तरीका है कि हमको ये पता होना चाहिए कि वो किस फंक्शन का डेरिवेटिव है. अभी हमने थोड़ी देर पहले कुछ डेरिवेटिव तुमसे कराए थे. यहां ध्यान से देखो. log sin x का डेरिवेटिव cot x है, ठीक है। तो cot x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या आएगा?
log sin
log sin x, ठीक है। cot x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या आएगा?
log
इसी तरह log cosec x का डेरिवेटिव क्या है?
tan x
tan x, ठीक है। log cosec x का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? माइनस tan x, या log sec x का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? tan x। तो tan x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या आएगा? ठीक है।
log
यहां से हम देख पाएंगे कि इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ tan x डॉट dx इक्वल्स टू log sec x log sec x, या फिर इसी को लिख पाएंगे हम माइनस log cos x। इसका माइनस उठा के इधर लगा देंगे, माइनस को तो इधर उधर कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। यहाँ पे माइनस रखो, फिर माइनस को बाहर करो और उस माइनस को इधर भेज दो, ठीक है। क्लियर हुआ? tan x के कितने इंटीग्रेशन? tan x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या हुआ? log sec x और log माइनस log cosec x, ठीक है। क्लियर?
sir log cosec x
सॉरी cos x है, cosec नहीं है। ऑलराइट, ठीक है। अब log sec x को log cos x में कन्वर्ट किया जा सकता है। देखो ये 1 अपान cos हो जाएगा कि नहीं? log sec x, और 1 अपान log a की वैल्यू क्या होती है? 1 अपान a की वैल्यू माइनस log a होती है। व्हाट इज देयर? log 1 बाई a क्या होता है? तो हमारा लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ आंसर फिट हो रहा है, ठीक है। लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ आंसर, answer neither can be created nor destroyed, only one form can be changes another form, so this can be converted in this can be converted in this, okay. Answer is only one. If different answer are there, then one answer can be converted another, so answer is conjured, okay. Solution is conjured, okay. Clear hai? Any doubt? Similarly, integration of cot x, what is there?
cot x log sin x
Cot x dx log sin x or
minus नहीं और
log minus log cosec x, okay. So these are the primitive or antiderivative. How we calculated? We calculated by inspection. This is called first exercise is there. We have to solve it by inspection method. What will be its integration? Means we have to think about that of whose function derivative is that given function. Suppose that, for example, I write x square 2x I write. Then you have to think 2x whose integration, what is the integration of 2x? Then you have to think whose differentiation is the 2x. So 2x is the differentiation of x square. So integration of 2x is x square. Okay? Integration of 2x is x
so
square.
multiplication form
Huh? Constant integration is nothing, I am telling you. So integration symbol is d inverse also. Integration symbol is d inverse also. Here some function will be there. Okay. Here some function will be there. Here box dx. So it is denoted by d inverse sometime. Okay. In higher education you will study d inverse. We don't use again and again this symbol. We use this symbol. Okay. So integration of 2x is x square. What is the integration of x cube?
integration of x cube by 4.
How you got x power 4 by 4? How did you get?
Sir, I studied in physics.
You studied in physics, but by differentiation of x power 4. In differentiation, power reduces. Okay, this 4 is multiplied here. So integration of 4 x cube dx equals to x power 4 by inspection. Okay, this 4 get divided. Okay, dx. Therefore, okay, clear. So first we have to study. We have to find the antiderivative or primitive by inspection method. What is the derivative of log of x plus root x square plus a square? What is the derivative of this function?
Sir, 1 upon x square plus a square.
Alright, 1 upon
1 upon x plus under root.
alright,
Yes, sir. Sir, x also.
x also. How? Could you derive it? Could you derive it? क्या तुम डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हो इसको?
Sir, x also.
x also कैसे आएगा?
Sir, x plus x square plus a function.
हाँ,
So x नहीं आएगा इनसे.
करके दिखाओ हमको. हाँ, बोर्ड में करोगे? वही? करो करो करो, फिनिश करो.
Sir,
Final derivative I am doing 1 upon x plus under root a square plus x square into
1 plus
1 plus
upon
1 plus
1 upon
1 upon 2 root a square plus x square into 2x. 2 cancelled out. Okay. Now 1 upon x plus root a square plus x square into 1 plus 1 x upon x upon x upon root a square plus x square. Okay. Here these two
Sir, you are right.
and these two cancelled out. Okay. So from here what we will get? From here we get x plus root a square plus x square into root a square plus x square plus x upon under root a square plus x square. Alright. So from here we will get this function and this function totally get cancelled. So from here we will get under root a square plus x square. So this is the derivative of log. So its integration what will be? What will be its integration?
Sir,
What will be its integration?
log x plus x square plus a square.
Dot dx equals to log x plus root a square plus x square. We did anything? We just inspected. What we did?
Just
Inspected. Suppose this is the function given, then we should remember whose differentiation is this function. Okay?
Yes, sir.
What will be integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square?
Sir, tan inverse x.
Tan inverse x. Why?
Sir,
Why? Because derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus
x
x square. What will be the integration of 1 upon a square plus x square?
Sir, इस चीज का कर रहा है ना
Okay, no problem, not issue. Okay. Integration 1 upon a square plus x square dot dx.
Only a square plus x square.
So you have to think about
Sir, log a plus ax square, a square plus x square,
log
a plus a square x square,
a plus a square plus
x square.
derivative will not come this a plus a square plus x square into 2x only. So this is not correct.
Sir, how do I think that?
Think something,
If I can submit it,
huh? This is looking something like this, na? At the place of a, what is there? 1. Only this
so
difference.
tan inverse a
No.
and tan
Take
minus
a common. Take a common. 1 upon a square take common. Sorry, not a. Take a square. Only a take common. What take?
a
No, a square take common. Take a square common. What do you take? A square common. Then what you will get? 1 upon x upon. You will get this or not?
Yes, sir, we will get.
Huh?
We will get, sir.
You will get?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
And
Then
then
1 plus a square.
then what would be the function? Function should be x by a.
Yes, sir.
Function should be x by a. But it is not answer.
1 plus a square.
But it is not answer.
It would be divided by a square.
We are going to differentiate it. We are going to differentiate it to find answer. 1 upon 1 plus x by a into 1 by a. So what we will get? We will get what we will get? We will get 1 upon a square plus x square into a square upon a. A cancel. Sorry, something is mistake.
No, sir, nothing is
Something is mistake.
sir, 1 plus a square we also.
No, not issue. Alright. So we will get a upon a square plus x square. What is there?
A upon
A square plus x square. Okay. So derivative we got ddx of tan inverse x by a is a upon a square plus x square. Alright. We have to evaluate integration 1 upon a square plus x square dot dx. What is extra here? A is extra. So that a divide here. That a divide here, so it makes sense. Okay, 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Now if you differentiate this ddx 1 upon a ddx of tan inverse x.
Sir, how many times do you differentiate?
Only one time. You have to check. Inspection you doing. You cannot get immediate everything. You have to utilize your brain. So now you are verifying. Its derivation is a square plus x square. It is cancelled. So 1 upon a square plus x square. Alright. So this is the inspection method. Okay, clear? Same way I have given many examples how to inspect. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is called inspection method of integration. And all formula. See, you had asked what is the integration of constant. See, constant is nothing. Constant integration is only x multiplied by constant. Okay, and integration of 0 is 0, but actually differentiation of constant is 0. Differentiation of constant is 0. So after integrating, see, sin x derivative is also cos x, okay, and x sin x plus c derivative where c is a constant is also cos x. Why? Because constant derivative is 0. Any constant we can write, 10 write, 5 write, pi write. Okay, any constant you write. So after integrating every function, sin x, we write a constant. Okay, we write a constant, and that is called constant of integration. What is called?
So what is the value of C?
So it will depend on condition. Condition will be given. It is general. Okay? It is general. Clear? Now we are going to write all formula. Okay? But before that, you will start first exercise by inspection method. Some question are there in book. You will deal with inspection method. Give me. I will give question. Okay? You have to deal with inspection method. Okay? Before going to formula and write formula. Okay? So, what is the integration of e to power x?
The e to power x.
E to power x. You will not write directly e to power x. Okay, this is question mark. How will you answer this question? By inspection method. By inspection method, how? We will write since we will show the derivative of this function is this. Therefore, e power x dx equals to e power x plus c. Okay? Clear? Alright?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Find the primitive or antiderivative of the following function. First is cos 2x. Cos 2x. Second is, कलर से कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है?
No, sir.
3x square plus 4x cube. Third is 1 by x. Primitive, find primitive of these function. Primitive means antiderivative. Antiderivative means integration.
Right.
Right.
Sir, what is the derivative of cos?
How
How do we get cos 2x?
Think.